All right, guys, welcome back to another How It Works episode, and this is your guy Nerdy G. As you can see, good afternoon, Nerdy. Hey, this is my workspace. Listen, I'm here today because IIElevenLabs has dropped their second model of the sound effects, and hey, why not dive into it and see what makes it so special? So first things first, like, subscribe, share, do all that good old stuff. I'm going to keep bringing you these videos of how to, right? IIElevenLabs is I'm partnering with them right now. There is a link down in the description. If you see that any of these tools can be used for your liking, please click on that link. It'll help the channel out a lot. It'll help support us as well and keep bringing you these videos. But also, well, not also, let's just jump right into it. Let's get right into the sound effects, right? So now they're better. I don't know if you guys remember when I came in here last video, some of the library wasn't just showing you what you wanted. You didn't get to see what you wanted to see, and it was just like, I don't know about that, right? So what we're going to do is, we're going to check it out. Those animals, remember, those animals were not there at all. I don't know why the animals wasn't there, but they're here now. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on looping. All right. And then we're just going to listen to some of the new sounds that they have, right? We can explore all the sounds that they have. They're easy downloads. So let's see what this cat sounds like. Okay. Sounds like a big cat purring, okay? I'm just going to tell you that. It's on the loop, all right? Let's get this eagle mixed with a T-Rex roar. Sounds like it's heavy. Sounds like got a little sleep apnea going on. Okay, that's the animals, right? So let's just say, let's see, let's go with some bass, right? Let's see what the bass, what you guys got working on over here. Military action, tense bass intro. Ooh, I'm always down for good. Okay. Maybe. We'll switch it. All right. Got the pulse going. It's like, yeah, it's time to get ready, guys. It's time to get ready. Those are sounds. There we go. Okay, cool. Let's see. Brown noise, warm, deep, clean, no reverb, seamless loop, low frequency. Let's see what we got. I didn't even know there was brown noise. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. So, of course, with IIElevenLabs, you can create anything that you want to, right? And so, like I say, that's the beauty of it. Let's just say I wanted to download one of these, right? So you can hit the download button, right? And then look at that. You can get it in a 48 hertz on the WAV file, or you can get it on the MP3 file. Now, here's the thing. If you have a podcast, if you like using a soundboard, this will be great for you guys. It's great for me. I'm using these in my podcast, in my shows, and these little loops, these sound effects. Hey, you come over here, you create exactly what it is that you want. You download it, right, and then you add it easily to your soundboard with just plugging the USB-C into your computer and connecting your device, and then voila. If you guys want to see a video of me doing that with the Rodecaster Pro, let me know down in the comments. I'll make that video showing you guys exactly how easy it is just to create that drag and drop and be done with it, okay? But let's create our own sound here, right? What if we heard, let's see, a rat screaming? Was it screaming? Let's go screaming and fighting. Let's go fighting with an elephant. Let's see who would win and what that would actually sound like. I'm going to show you guys something too. Once this generates, I'm going to show you something that you can set it to auto with the sound duration, right? And you can change the sound duration if you want to, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, all the way up to 30 seconds. Just understand that when you do that, the longer the clip the longer the sound clip, the more credits you use, right? But with their wonderful plans that they have, look at that. With the wonderful plans that IIElevenLabs have, like me, I'm on the creator platform. Using that is easy. So you don't have to really worry about it, right? But if you're gonna put it on a loop and you just want that constant, 4 seconds, it seems like the sweet spot. I'm not gonna lie. So let's see. I love the fact that it always gives you 4 different sound effects, and then you can choose which one you like. Me personally, if I like one, I'm going to put a star on it. But then also too, I'll go right ahead and download it and put it in one and put it in my soundboard. Okay, that's a rat screaming and fighting with an elephant. Sound like more like a sound like a cat. Sound like a cat. Okay, not that one. Let's go. Got a little Transformers going on right there. Okay, sounds like a little Transformery. I apologize for your ears, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I don't know what that one was. That sounded like something came out of a Terminator movie or something like that. But no worries, right? I guess out of all of these, I think I like number 1 the best. And I think I like it the best just because of that little at the end. I like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the download, right? And I'm gonna do it in a WAV file, right? Make it easy for myself. Boom, got it in a WAV file. That's it. Simple. That's like that. That's it, right? But let me show you guys a little trick. So let's just say I want to do something different. Let's make this. Let's just I want to hear the waves crashing up on a cliff early in the morning. My question is it going to sound different regardless if it's early in the morning or if it's not in the morning or in the evening? It doesn't matter, right? So let me show you guys something. So you can click right here and you can click auto. So when you click auto, you're going to click and we're just going to create. It's going to bring us up something new. I'm going to close that one out. We're going to dismiss that one. This is going to bring something else up new, right? We're going to explore, after this, we're going to explore the sound, the library just a tad bit more. I don't want to keep you guys here for a long time. I want to keep you guys here for a good time, okay? And an informative time as well, all right? So here we go. So I just wanted you to see it's on auto, and the auto gave you 4 seconds. Perfect, right? Watch this. Let's see what we got. So think about it this way. You can actually create your own SMR, the little, what you call it, SMR, you know what I'm talking about, the sounds where you listen, or you just like, hey, I need to hear this type of sound. Get IIElevenLabs, create the sounds that you want to hear and put it on the loop and put it on what you want. Hey, I think it's worth it. Let's see what we got here. Feel like I heard like a little bird in that one or something. Like hey, maybe a seagull on the. I don't know. Let's see. That didn't sound bad. I'm gonna go with number 2 on that one. Number 2 was my best one. I think I like that. I'm gonna hit the wave file, right? And there we go. Simple, just like that. So I'm telling you guys, you can come here, you can create whatever you want. We heard a elephant and a rat. We heard waves crashing up on a cliff. If you guys want to listen, folks have already done crazy things in here, so we can see the bass. This is what the military did, right? If you guys want to hear booms, if you got a thing for booms, they're here, right? I clip on the looping because as of right now, as I'm recording this video, anything that does not have a loop is not playing. And I've already reached out to IIElevenLabs about that. But if it's not on a loop for some odd reason, it's not playing. But they should fix that by the time you get this. So it should be fixed by now. So by the time you send this video, it should be fixed. But let's see. Let's see what this is. Booms, a short cinematic intro with deep cinematic boom. Let's see. Sounds kind of like a little remix of the Disney Plus, just a little bit. But you guys kind of get the gist. Let's see here. Let's do this one, and then we'll move on to the different categories. Okay. Jesus. Let's listen to this one. Let's see a very loud nuclear explosion that could wipe out half of the earth. Wow. So if you ever hear that sound, you guys already know what it is. Wow. Interesting. Okay. Now we don't judge here, okay? We don't judge here. Let's see. You got symbols, you got devices, you got drones, you got fantasy. Let's go fantasy because why not? Fantasy is always cool. Magic reveal. I like that. Yeah. Let's see. Distant thunder rolling off across the cliffs. Ooh. I like that. I like that. Give it to it. That actually sounds good. That sounds good. I like that. So, like I say, anything that you guys want, anything that you guys can think up, create. Let's see. Turtle. We all know the turtle sound, right? Turtle sounds. And there we go. Let's just do turtle sounds and hummingbird. Why not? We can do it. IIElevenLabs allow you to do it, so do it. If you can think it, you can create it. Look at that. Horse galloping in the distance, hooves hitting the dirt, medieval battlefield ambience. I like that. See what we're going to create here. And I love, like I said, once again, I love the fact that they give you four. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. They give you 4 options to choose from. And who don't like options? It's only the hummingbird. Oh, that sounds like somebody waking up. Sound like somebody saying leave me alone, but they on vacation. They want to sleep. Birds in the background, and that would it sound like to me. I don't know what y'all be the judge of that. All right. But like I say, you guys can come in here. You guys can get creative. Like I say, the fantasy. I actually do want to hear this horse galloping because I think that. Now let's do this creative, mystical. Let's see what this one sounds like. So, as you can see, even with this prompt right here, look at that. Create a mystical orchestral soundtrack inspired by fantasy epics. Include deep strings, distant choir voices, and subtle percussions. They did. The mood should feel powerful, enchanting, and cinematic. It did. Like entering a magical ancient realm. I got that feeling just a tad bit. You know what I'm saying? The atmosphere must be dark yet majestic with a sense of mystery and grandeur, similar to the Game of Thrones main title. So they gave a reference, right? Which is always good. Avoid modern electronic sounds. And I understand why they've said avoid electronic sounds because, as you can tell, some of the ones I was saying, they sounded like a little transformerish. So the more you work with the prompts, the better sounds you get to come out from that. Focus on orchestral, atmospheric, and timeless fantasy feeling. They nailed it. I like it. I'll give it a like, and I'm going to give it a download just in case I feel regal one day and I feel like I need to, get on my throne. So listen, this is it. Get in here, click that link in my description, man, and come in here and play around for yourself. Oh, one thing I wanted to show you. So this auto before we get up out of here. This auto. So when you click up here, once you get in and you click on auto, but you say, you know what, I want it to be 30. You see how you can click that right there? You see how it won't go off? Auto won't go off. It's okay. It's not broken at all. All you have to do is come down here and just move it to however much you want. And as you can tell, as you can see, the duration shows how many. It shows over here 30 seconds cost you 1,200 credits. 1,200 credits is a-okay. All right, 1,200 is not bad. All right, but this is the sound effects. So get in here, click that link in the description, get over to IIElevenLabs, start your trial today. Come in here and create. It's a creative platform. Create your own personal soundboard for something that you want, what you feel, what you like. It's IIElevenLabs, ladies and gentlemen. I am your guy, Nerdy, and this is how it works. Come in, enjoy, and until next time, I'm out.